Right, how's it going, guys? So going to give an update on the 33 today. Put simply, it's been lifting the head. It's been doing it since about May last year. We didn't think it was a head because it was so minor, but through the coolant pressure sensor in there, been monitoring it. Basically, if you do about 3 or 4 high boost pulls through third and fourth, you basically empty the radiator, and obviously coolant pressure spikes as it gets on boost, especially when it runs like 28, 29 pound. It's not too bad if you keep it under 25. But yeah, so looking into it, it looks like I didn't have the 2000 head studs in there. So they've just stretched basically. It's only a small lift, nothing serious, but the plan is to pull the head and get it off and just check it out and fix it up, new gasket, new studs, and we'll go from there. Alright, so let's get this girl out of the shed. Here she is. She has been sitting for like 2 months now. As you can see, she's a bit dirty. So yeah, the plan is today to get it out. It still works, I mean, it's still functional, nothing's changed. I mean, it's been on the dyno twice like this, and it's been at like 2 roll racing events and power crews with this issue, so it's not like this can't be driven. I just have chosen not to drive it. So we're going to get it out, we'll give it a clean, and get it over to my parents' house so we can start pulling the motor out and go from there. So I wonder if it'll even start. It's been a little while. Get the keys. That's a good sign. Battery's still good. I'm going to turn the exhaust down so we don't wake the neighbours up, because it's like 7 o'clock in the morning, so don't want to be waking them up. Get rid of those. Yeah, let's see. Ooh, she may start. She's been a bit unhappy. There we go. This direct twin plate is such a nice clutch. I mean, like there, it's so easy to drive, and it takes the power great. Goodness, she's dirty. Alright, that'll do her. Have the bonnet open. Alright. There she is. Still looks good. So yeah, as I said, it pushes quite a bit of coolant out. I can normally fill this bottle. It's only ever pushed it out once, and that was at a roll racing last year, May. But it's not ideal. If I put the 2-bar cap on it, I can normally keep quite a bit of coolant in it, unless I run it in fourth. So like roll racing, roll racing power crews, if I have a 2-bar cap on it, it doesn't tend to push coolant, but I have like coolant pressures of up to like 28 pound. It sits right up there, but if I hit fourth, then it will normally creep to about 30. With this cap on it, we retorqued the head to try and see if that would fix it. It helped, but I mean, still with this cap, retorqued the head. At first run, it accidentally overboosted because of that and hit like 33 pound, and then coolant pressure jumped to 22 psi. So yeah, I'm just gonna bite the bullet. So the head's gonna come off, Basically, whilst it's off, I'm going to do solid lifter conversion, bigger cams, port it, oversized valves, and then stick it back on. I'm gonna, right now it's only got a 3-inch dump pipe, we're gonna up that to a 4-inch dump pipe, and I might do a cutout, and yeah, and see, we'll do bigger injectors as well. We'll go to 2000cc injectors. Right now they need 1250s, and then redo all my fuel lines. I'm gonna go to braided lines and get rid of the stock lines that it's currently got, and yeah, we're gonna see if we can't push it to over 800 on the same boost. So, and if we need more boost, well, we'll put more boost in it. But yeah, my goal is 800 at the hubs. So, and not only 800 at the hubs, but more area under the curve. And yeah, whilst it's all apart, I'm going to try and clean it up a bit more. I'm not happy with some of the stuff. Like, I'm going to fix this up, make that look a bit neater. I'll put new lines, I'll mount that properly, I'll repaint it, I'll paint that. I'll do a better line to the catch can that sits down the bottom there. I'll move my air temp sensor, because right now it sits under here. I'm going to put that before the throttle body, so that'll give me more accurate air temp readings. I'm going to remount this so it's not in a stupid place and I can't get my fucking hand in to get the dipstick out. So I'll move that. And yeah, just tidy it up a bit. I might repaint as much as I can, so I might strip. It's not going to be a quick fix. This is going to take me a little while to get this right, so I'm in no rush. I don't need the car for anything. I have the wagon, so it doesn't matter if this takes 3 to 6 months to get it right, but I want to get it right, so when it comes back it's going to be ready. Need new tyres as well, these are shocking. So yeah, and I might tidy this up, seeing as a guy I know on Instagram set his on fire, so not ideal. And mine's not doing too great there, right where the turbo sits, so yeah, let's give her a clean, and then get it to my parents' house and start pulling it apart. And the other thing is, I'm gonna try and do, weekly videos of all this sort of stuff for you guys. Go through what we're doing, what we're fixing. Be good to see when the head gets back, what that looks like. So yeah, plenty of content to come on this car in the coming months, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so she's all washed. It's looking a bit shinier again, which is always nice. Yeah, so start packing all the stuff into it. I gotta get the jack into it. With 2 stands, my bag with all the tools in it. I won't bother with the jerry cans. But yeah, let's get her packed up and drive her over to my parents' house. so here we are today. This is where all the magic happens. This is where this is the shed that we do everything in. So I got the car here yesterday. It's a lovely wagon. Look at it. I love that car. Don't love the electronics in it, but I love everything else about it. So yeah, the goal today is to get this on jack stands, get the gearbox out, and start pulling the motor out. Yeah, I'm not really in any sort of rush, so I'll probably just do that today and get the gearbox out, start pulling all the cooler pipes and stuff off of it, and all the electronics, and then yeah, slowly start ordering stuff from this week and go from there. Hey guys. Right, so a bit of a slow day today. We went in too much of a rush. Basically pulled radiator out, front bumper and all that stuff off. Got the dump pipe off, all the catch cans taken off. Started unplugging the wiring. Didn't get too far with that. And then we pulled the gearbox out. You see the clutches in there. That still looks alright. Got a couple oil leaks that I need to fix up, and that's why the whole motor's coming out. But yeah, so next weekend we'll get the motor out and pull the head off and see what the issue is and go from there. So yeah, so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next weekend and see what's actually wrong with it.